Hello everyone. Question is an application runs on an Amazon EC2 instance that has an elastic IP address in VPC-A. The application requires access to a database in VPC-B. Both VPCs are in the same AWS account. Which solution will provide the required access most securely? Option A. Create a DB instance security group that allows all traffic from the public IP address of the application server in VPC-A. Option B. Configure a VPC peering connection between VPC-A and VPC-B. Option C. Make the DB instance publicly accessible. Assign a public IP address to the DB instance. Option D. Launch an EC2 instance with an elastic IP address into VPC-B. Proxy all requests through the new EC2 instance. Correct answer is option B. Question is a company is building a new web-based customer relationship management application. The application will use several Amazon EC2 instances that are backed by Amazon Elastic Block Store, Amazon EBS volumes behind an application load balancer ALB. The application will also use an Amazon Aurora database. All data for the application must be encrypted at rest and in transit. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Use AWS Key Management Service AWS KMS certificates on the ALB to encrypt data in transit. Use AWS Certificate Manager ACM to encrypt the EBS volumes and Aurora database storage at rest. Option B. Use an AWS root account to log into the AWS Management Console. Upload the company's encryption certificates. While in the root account, select the option to turn on encryption for all data at rest and in transit for the account. Option C. Use AWS Key Management Service AWS KMS to encrypt the EBS volumes and Aurora database storage at rest. Attach an AWS Certificate Manager ACM certificate to the ALB to encrypt data in transit. Option D. Use BitLocker to encrypt all data at rest. Import the company's TLS certificate keys to AWS Key Management Service AWS KMS. Attach the KMS keys to the ALB to encrypt data in transit. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is an application running on an Amazon EC2 instance in VPC A needs to access files in another EC2 instance VPC B. Both VPCs are in separate AWS accounts. The network administrator needs to design a solution to configure secure access to EC2 instance in a VPC-B from VPC-A. The connectivity should not have a single point of failure or bandwidth concerns. Which solution will meet these requirements? Option A. Set up a VPC peering connection between VPC-A and VPC-B. Option B. Set up VPC gateway endpoints for the EC2 instance running in VPC-B. Option C. Attach a virtual private gateway to VPC-B and set up routing from VPC-A. Option D. Create a private virtual interface VIF for the EC2 instance running in VPC-B and add appropriate routes from VPC-A. Correct answer is option A. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.